Welcome back, Fishing Maniacs. We're gonna go do a little bit of fishing today. I'm gonna meet my brother, Walmart parking lot. We're gonna try to do a little bit of fishing. I don't know, probably got about, it's probably 6 o'clock right now. So probably a good 3.5 hours. Really hot today. I think we hit 100 degrees today. But we're gonna see what we can do. I already got everything ready to go. So we're gonna go straight to the water. So let's see if we can catch a big one. So we'll see you on the water, guys.
Man, it's so much easier with the weight of the boat. You just pull it straight down.
Tech tip, guys, tech tip. When you're backing up your boat, just let the boat pull your truck back. Yep, back on the lake, hot, 101 degrees. We're still gonna see if we can get on them. All right, backing me up, and we're in. Wait for my brother. He's gonna go park the truck.
Oh, come on.
Oh man. Out here.
Yeah. He hit it when it was still.
So you think they're chasing shad right now? I'm gonna throw this crankbait and see if they come up and hit it. Yeah, it's been a slow afternoon, guys. Dog days of summer. Those are bass jumping, man.
I think the bite fishing will get good in a minute. We're about 15 minutes.
This water is like real muddy looking, you know? Alright guys, chartreuse. Looks like chartreuse is what they want. First one of the day landed. Look how many times this one has been caught. You see? Just straight out right there. Alright, it's the first one.
Alright, my objective is to catch one on the drum.
Alright, just hooked up on another one. That's a little bit better. No, actually he's a little bit smaller. Man, good hook set right on the top of the mouth. There's two. Dinks. Mongrels, man. I'm tired of catching these mongrels. Scissors are in that camouflage little pouch there. They're deeper, man. Deeper. Ooh, look at that hook set. I said he wouldn't tear up my worm, and look what he did. You get up to the front of the boat. Get up here. Right there. A little to the left, though. Sand bass or what? Those are bass feeding?
They're bass feeding. This is not a bass that was caught either. It's a fresh one. As soon as he hit the water, it started sinking down.
There's one. Oh, he got off. He probably took my worm too. Seriously? No, I'm gonna do something.
It just came to me.
Dude, you can see all the fish here.
Oh, I missed that dang rattle trap bite.
Let me see that camo, Poe. So they're right there on the bank, huh?
And they're hitting it when I'm yo-yoing it.
So put a cadence on this one.
I let it sink to the bottom, and then I'm just throwing it in. There it is again. They're hitting me. I mean, you can probably see them, and I feel enough confidence in them. They want this bait. How good the rattle trap was. It's a search bait, you know?
Yeah. Got him?
Every cast, man.
Figured it out. Ah, he's a little bit longer one. Well, 8:47, we're still fishing. Might want to put the lights on the front of the boat after that one. So what have you figured out?
Cadence. Cadence, dude. They want that they're hitting the bait as it's going up. If that makes any sense.
Yeah.
What are they doing? They're pushing that bait fish up.
Yep. Careful.
So every time that I yo-yo that bait on the upward motion, they're hitting it. It almost feels like you're getting hung up on moss or something, but it's actually them coming up and attacking that bait.
See if you can get another one. Well guys, we're fixing to go on and call it.
Yep.
It was a pretty tough day. We caught a few fish. It got dark on us.
We're trying to pick up a pattern. I mean, we tried to do different things coming out. You know, tried drop shotting, tried a little bit of top water, but it didn't pan out. We went back to a spot we knew where we could catch fish.
Yeah.
And I guess they wanted a noise and they wanted action. They were more of a reaction strike.
Yep. So
switched to a rattle trap, white rattle trap, and that's what seemed to work there toward the end. It seemed like that was more of a confident hit. I tried a swim jig. I missed a good one on a swim jig, and you were just Carolina rigging. So
yeah, I caught a few on the Carolina rig.
It was hard to say where they were at today. It's almost like they were mid-level, attacking upward.
Yep.
If that makes any sense.
Pushing bait fish up. So, anyways, thanks for viewing. Till next time, we'll try to hit up a different lake next time. So be looking forward to that. So we try to do a quick fish. You know, time is always of the essence. So
yeah, I just got off at 5 and tried to come straight out here. So,
but maybe the next one will be Navarro or Waxahachie, Bardwell, possibility.
Maybe. Yeah, or Clark.
Or Clark. So I think the next one we're going to try to do that. So stay tuned for that. Albotello Outdoors.